First question, quantization is the process of finding discrete time values from continuous range of values. C is the answer. And the second question is, if the quantization error is uniformly distributed in the range minus del by 2, comma del by 2, the mean value of the error is 0, then the variance Pn is. The variance formula is a minus b the whole square divided by 12. Here a is this minimum interval value, so a and b. Take this a and this one is b. So substituting the value here, we will get del by 2 minus del by 2 the whole square divided by 12. So this becomes del by 2 plus del by 2 the whole square divided by 12. So this becomes 2 del divided by 2 get cancelled. So del square divided by 12. So here the answer is A. Third question, what is the expression for SQNR which can be expressed in the logarithmic scale? So logarithmic scale, this SQNR can be represented as 10 log 10 px divided by pn. So here the answer is A. Fourth question, the amplitude of a random signal is uniformly distributed between minus 5 volt and 5 volt. If the signal to quantization noise ratio required in uniformly quantizing the signal is 43.5 dB, the step size of the quantization is approximately. So considering this value, that n is equal to 7. Okay, then finding step size formula, that is equal to Vmax minus Vmin divided by 2 power n. Maximum voltage minus minimum voltage divided by 2 power n. So here the maximum voltage is 5, minimum voltage is minus 5. So 5 minus of 5 divided by 2 power 7. So solving this, we will get 0.0667 volt. So here the answer is C. Fifth question, the increase in signal to quantization noise ratio for a uniform PCM by an extra bit is increased by 6 dB. So here the answer is B. Sixth question, an analog voltage in the range 0 to 8 volt is divided in 16 equal intervals for conversion to 4-bit digital output. The maximum quantization error in volt is, and maximum quantization error formula, that is equal to del by 2, where del is step size. So step size formula, del, that is equal to Vmax minus Vmin, minimum voltage, divided by number of levels. Okay, here Vmax value is 8, minimum value is 0, and number of interval levels are 16. So this become 8 divided by 16. So we will get 1 by 2, that is equal to 0.5. This is your step size. So maximum quantization error, that is equal to del by 2. So we will get 0.5 divided by 2. So the answer is 0.25. So here the answer is C. Eighth question, for rounding, the quantization error is uniformly distributed in the range minus del by 2, comma del by 2. Answer here is C. Next question, in delta modulation, the quantizer is a 1-bit quantizer, and this is a simplest form of DPCM, differential PCM. It uses 1-bit quantizer. So in delta modulation, the quantizer is a 1-bit quantizer. C is the answer.